Peepaw at A3 Customs. We're working on this G-Wagon Mercedes. They had to take the windshield out of it. They had some windshield rot. But they take care of that right now. And it had a hole right up in here. Got my buddy David, the body fabricator down there. He fixed it for us. You can't even tell it. Needs a little slight skim of Bondo, then that'll be perfect. But I'm out here taking all the little badges off of it, lights off of it, all the molding off of it. We'll start sanding it down, paint it back white. But we'll get it done in a couple days. A lot of stuff's got to be taken off of it. All the turn signals, all the molds. Fix all the little rust in it. It won't be bad though. A couple days, it'll be out of here. That's it. Thank you for watching.